Thank you for choosing SharkBite for your plumbing project. Today we're installing a clamp supply stop valve from SharkBite onto a 1/2-inch PEX stub-out. The same steps can be performed for a crimp connection as well. To get started, you'll need to look at your application and determine if your stub-out comes out of the wall or floor. If your stub-out comes out of the wall, you'll need an angle stop valve, and if your stub-out comes out of the floor, you'll need a straight stop valve. Like any plumbing project, your first step should be shutting off the water supply to the area you're working on. The safest way to do this is the main water shutoff to the structure. Then continue to relieve pressure and drain the supply lines by opening a nearby faucet. Some applications require only one stop valve, while others require 2 stop valves. Be sure to get the appropriate quantity for your project before beginning. If necessary, disconnect any supply lines and remove old stop valves. Cut the PEX stub out squarely, making sure to leave enough to insert the supply stop. Next, slide the crimp or clamp ring onto the PEX stub out. Insert the valve into the PEX pipe and align with the fixture. Position the ring 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch from the end of the PEX pipe to ensure proper seal. Using the appropriate calibrated tool, crimp or clamp the ring onto the pipe. The clamp tool will not release from the tab until the ring is fully tightened. Finish by installing your faucet or toilet connector from the stop valve to your fixture. Hand tighten the nut until snug. Then, using a wrench, tighten 1/4 turn. Be careful not to over-tighten. Turn the stop valve to the open position, followed by the main water supply. Check to ensure there are no leaks or loose connections. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable. SharkBite offers supply connections for faucets, toilets, refrigerators, dishwashers, ice makers, and humidifiers.